Hello everyone, welcome to Greenboard Academy. I'm your instructor Jay Sukhwani. So in the previous videos, we have studied in detail about spherical mirror. In this video, we will study about the image formation by spherical mirrors, especially concave mirror. We will cover only concave mirror in this video. In this video also, there will be many facts about light. So let's start. Now, before understanding about the image formation by spherical mirror, we will understand what is the meaning of image formation. So, here we will understand what will be the position of the object in front of concave mirror, and according to that, what will be the position of image, means where will be the image. First of all, we will understand where will be the object, then we will understand according to that where will be the image. What will be the size of image? It will be small, big, greater than object, smaller than object, etc. What will be the nature of image? What is nature of image? Means it will be in real or virtual. It will be straight or inverted. We know what is real and virtual. We know what is straight and inverted. So now, first, the position of object is at infinity. Infinity means at infinite distance, which we can't measure, right? For example, the ray of light coming from the sun. It is coming from infinity. Yes, we can measure that, but we don't know exact measurement. So we consider it at infinity. So the image formation will be at focus. You can see in the image that the object is coming from infinity and the image is forming at F. You can see this by an animation. See, the object is AB, the incident ray is coming and reflected ray is passing from focus. Another ray is coming from B and passing from focus. So the image will be formed at focus. And the size of the image will be very diminished. Highly diminished means very small, like small particle of sand. It will be very small. And the nature of image means the image will be real, and inverted means upside down. So now, next we will move to the second observation, that if the object is beyond C, means after C. C means center of curvature. We have understood each and every term related to spherical mirror. So we know what is C, what is F, what is P. So you should know this all things before you see this video. Okay, so if the object is beyond C, you can see AB, the image will be formed between F and C. The reflected ray will pass from F always. Now you can see the image is formed between C and F, that is A dash and B dash, and it will be smaller than object size. The size of an image will be smaller than size of object, and the nature of image will be real and inverted. It will be real. All the images formed on the left side of mirror will always be real and inverted. Always real and inverted. So let's move to third observation. So in the third observation, the object is placed at C, on the C, that is AB. You can see in the image. It will be reflected and passed from focus as always. And the second ray is also passed, and the image will also form on center of curvature, that is C. The size of the image will be same as object. The size will be same. And the nature of image, as you know, will be real and inverted because it is on the left hand side, right? So let's move to next observation. In the fourth observation, the position of object is between C and F, means center of curvature and focus. Again passed from focus. Always it will be passing from focus. Now the image will be formed beyond C, means after C. So you can see one thing, you can note one thing, that as the object is coming nearer to the spherical mirror or the concave mirror, the image is going far and far. It is working opposite, means as the object comes nearer, the image goes far. So the size of image will be enlarged, means bigger than object. The size of the image will be bigger than object, and as it is on the left hand side, the nature of image will be real and inverted. So we know one thing, that as the object comes nearer to the mirror, the image becomes bigger and bigger. As you have seen in the plane mirror, as you go nearer and nearer to the plane mirror, the image becomes bigger and bigger, and the time comes you can't see your whole body. And as you go far from the plane mirror, you can see that image is going on getting small and small and small. Understood? So let's go to next observation, that if the object is at F, means focus, the position of image will be at infinity, means it is at infinity, we can't measure it. The size of the image will be highly enlarged, means it will be very big as compared to the object. And we use these things in the telescope. With the help of the telescope, we can see very small object in a bigger size because of this thing only, right? And it is also used in a microscope, that small things can be seen very big. Now the nature of image here also will be real and inverted, and you can see the lines of the image, they are going parallel. That's why they will not able to meet in the future. So we can just imagine that sometime they will meet. Okay, that's why the position of image is infinity, because they will never meet because they are parallel. So let's go to the last and very important observation. Now if the object is between pole and focus, the image formed will be behind the mirror. Why? Because in real life it will never able to meet. You can see the lines of reflected ray. Just wait, I will show you. You can see the lines of reflected ray, they will never meet, they are going far from each other, so it is not possible that they will meet. So we can imagine that they will meet behind the mirror. We can imagine. So from that we can say one thing, that image will not be real, right? It will be virtual and it will be erect. If the image formation is on the right hand side, the image is always virtual and erect. Erect means straight. Understood? It will not be inverted. And the size of the image will be enlarged, means it will be more than object. So now we will see uses of concave mirror. Where this concave mirror is used? They are used in torches. You can see that the source of light in the torch is very small, but as you on the torch, the light it spreads. This is because of concave mirror, because the LED light in the torch is kept in that position, the image formed will be enlarged and it will be virtual. Search lights means the lights used for searching things. And the vehicle headlights, you have seen that the headlights of the vehicle, right? When the light is on, it spreads so that we can see more and more on the road. The next example is, they are used in shaving mirrors to see larger image of the face. Now when you are shaving, or when the boys are shaving, then they have to use this mirror so that they can do this thing minutely or correctly so that the blade doesn't shave their face. So they have to see small things. So for that, concave mirror is used. Dentists use concave mirror to see the larger images of the teeth of patients. So you have seen that dentist looks through the concave mirror, or we can say a spherical mirror, into your mouth so that they can see larger images of teeth and they can find problems in your teeth very easily. One example that is not given in this list is the watch repairers. The watch repairers have to see small things, so they fit one concave mirror in their eyes so that they can see small parts of watch in a large size. And large concave mirror are used to concentrate sunlight to produce heat in solar furnaces. Now, what are solar furnaces? You know what is furnace? Where the heat is produced in large amount to melt the iron, and many factories are using these furnaces. So solar furnaces means the heat is generated with the help of sun. So for creating such heat, they need to concentrate the sunlight on the particular point. As we have seen in the experiment 1, that how I concentrate sunlight on the paper to burn it, to generate heat. They are using this thing on the large scale to generate large amount of heat. So now you understood that how these positions of object and image are used in the concave mirror in our daily life. I hope you understood this video correctly, and if this video made easy for you to understand these topics, then please like and share this video. Make this video reach the people who are searching for the deep explanation about each and everything. If you are having any doubts, the comment section is given, so please comment so that I can understand your problem. And don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you.